This is the Butterfly K-Pack. It's a 21-pound skin-on-frame boat that folds up neatly into a backpack. Assembly takes just 3 to 4 minutes and is super easy because the aluminum frame is already inside the boat skin. Designed with adventure and travel in mind, the K-Pack is versatile, durable, and comfortable to operate. Above all, it provides easy access to the water, anywhere. Hey, I'm Pete Flood, creator and founder of the Folding Boat Company, and I love spending time outdoors. It used to be that whenever I'd be traveling, hiking, or exploring, I'd often find myself in these outrageously beautiful places, near water, but unable to take advantage of all the opportunities while I was there. I realized that canoes and other small boats are kind of heavy and bulky to use. They weren't very practical. So I did some research and found there were other folding kayaks out there, but they were all very expensive and a little bit difficult to assemble. I realized I needed a folding boat that would be super light, compact, and easy to assemble. A boat you could have with you all the time and take anywhere. The K-Pack is just that, a versatile, lightweight, packable, skin-on-frame boat that features a simple assembly to get you on the water in the quickest, most stress-free way possible. The Butterfly K-Pack uses a patented, ingenious, wicked cool internal aluminum frame that pops open and locks into place in just a few seconds. The lower portion of this frame is attached to and nests between 4 independent air tubes that run the length of the boat. When you attach the pump that comes with your boat to the manifold, you will fill each air tube simultaneously, which allows the boat to fill symmetrically every time. Inflating the air tubes compresses the frame to the outer skin. These air tubes also provide shock absorption and flotation. To ensure durability, we use custom-made high-tenacity polyester fabrics coated with urethane for maximum tear and abrasion resistance. Our seams are sealed with radio-frequency welding machines. The assembly is designed to be very simple. You can set it up with your eyes closed. But what's most important is folks say it's the most comfortable seat they've ever paddled from. When it's time to play, you shouldn't have to worry or think about how much effort it's going to take to get your boat ready. If you like to travel, it's easy to take this boat with you. You can even check it when traveling by commercial airlines. Plus, the boats are light enough, you can pack extra gear and clothes inside the backpack. This boat is so compact, it can live in your closet or under your bed, ready to go in a moment's notice. And the bonus? There's no need to spend $600 on a roof rack. It fits perfectly in your trunk, allowing you to finally reach those hard-to-access places you've always dreamed of. It's also a very stable boat. Great for fishing, exploring, nature photography, a lazy paddle, or an excuse to get outside for some fresh air, maybe even an upper body workout. From urban areas to backcountry secret spots, go solo, take your family, or even carry multiple boats if you need to. Say you are camping, RVing, or even if you have an extra hour or two on a Sunday afternoon. With a K-Pack, you have an easy option to go play on the water. You can get some fishing in, take the kids for a paddle, or find some serenity on a quiet lake or river. We like to think it's more important than ever for folks to get outside so they can appreciate and support the natural wonders this world has to offer. Thank you for backing our project. Go unfold your next adventure.
Did you ever miss the brilliant moment because you can't shoot while driving? Did you ever put yourself in danger because you tried to record the beautiful scenery while driving? Let me introduce 70My Smart Dash Cam to you. It's an innovative meat ecosystem product from China. It supports intelligent voice control and app connection, makes recording easy ever since. Integrating AI algorithm, 70My trained the voice recognition model with more than 20,000 different voices, accents, and dialects. To make the recognition as accurate as possible, 70My team keeps testing and optimizing the product over 5 months in different vehicles' inside environment. Your driving experiences will now be more enjoyable. With your hands on the wheel, you can still capture the perfect still shots or videos with just your voice commands.
Record video.
Start recording.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70My is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70My is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70My to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70My app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70My is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 70My Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 70My. Introducing Plux, a charger truly embraces the revolution of wireless charging, allowing you to power up your iPhone 8 or 10, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Using quick charge technology, the ultra-speedy charging offered by Plux makes your life easier. What's more, it allows you to charge your phone with its case on and easily switch between a charging pad and phone stand. You don't have to worry the battery life when binge watching or listening. Simply place your devices on a pad. It will instantly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. No more dead battery anxiety. With a simple design, Plux fits everyone's style. Plux, the best wireless charger, allows you to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once.